Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters. Gary.Christiance, the van guy, serving Guaranty since 1981. That would be in July. It's my anniversary month. We've got a Revel. They're back, and they're better. They've got a brand new chassis, a 19 chassis. Let's kind of take a little shot inside and see what we got. They got a nice screen package. When you roll it down, want to walk out, you lift it up. Magnet just takes it right back, makes it real simple. This outdoor table, it's got a leg that goes in here, so this folds down for a nice workstation. Tank fills right here, a lot of your controls, winterizing valve, etc. Grab assist handle right here. Running board. Come on in and take a look. Got your bed in the back if you want to come in and take a look at the bed in the sleeping position. We got it down right now. Now, I've shown this to gentlemen that are 6'4", because I haven't shown a lady yet that tall, but I know a 6'4" will fit in here. When you get ready to travel, you just raise this bad boy up, goes clear to the roof where your vent is, or air conditioner, because that's an option. This does not have air conditioning. We can put one in if you'd like. You got some power strips all around the unit for adding all your devices. Does have a seat belt that hooks in here to keep this in the up position. You've got tie down points here in the back. Outdoor shower, USB ports, electrical outlets, ventilation, more outlets, light switches, more power strips. Nice little storage area here. Compressor, refrigerator, freezer up on top. And this does hinge. Attaboy. So you have a vent. This is your shower, your bathroom, basically a porta potty. You got shelves to put in here, or you don't put shelves. Then you have a hanger space, or you have a place where you can take stuff out and use your toilet, because you're not going to be using that a lot. Table leg for outside is stored right here. Easy to get to. This comes back, clicks in here, and then locks up above. Fantastic fan, light strips up above. We've got lockable little drawers here that pull out. 110. Recessed sink. Induction cooking. That's right, there's no propane. Induction cooking here. Good storage up on top here. So just like the previous models, you have a little table that swings out. Turn your chairs around. You can seat 4 here. You can seat belt 2 here. This does pull out and make into another bed going across this direction. You got a good storage area up on top. Everybody always says, gosh, what's this thing? Well, it's a privacy curtain for the windows, because you've got side airbags on the seats. They can't put stuff up there like they used to, so they have a privacy area. Of course, 4-wheel drive, high-low range, 20 foot in length. And this is the 19 model with the new screen. The backup camera's got 3 different views. A real close-up view, a little wider, and then a full width view, so you can alter it for whichever is going to work for you the best. Electric awning up on top. Why, yes, it's got a ladder and it's got a rack. The nice thing about this, as you well know, because I'm sure you've seen more than just this video, that you can undo the ladder, take the ladder and put it on the side of the unit, be able to get up on top where your kayak rack, your surfboard rack, your storage pod, all that could be up on top, and it's easy access with this ladder that removes from the rear. As you can see, it's got the same screen option back here. You can zip it and get out. It's got a little Velcro to hold it in place. I showed you the tie downs inside. The ventilation runs off your diesel for the fuel through an Aldi system. Windows pop open for ventilation, more USB ports and outlets, LED lights throughout. And there's where you get the extra length of these little bump outs, 110 hookup cord, drain, there's your toilet, city water fill. The Truman Exhaust is this right here, that little exhaust. So they runs off your diesel for your heat. And they have changed it. So now if you're in this for a long period of time running your heater, it'll actually show in your fuel gauge, whereas before it didn't. Some people had some unpleasant surprises, but that's been changed. Again, behind the door is your fuel door, fully secured. Got power mirrors now, top and bottom, and you push a button and they fold in. The last time we got a shipment in, all 4 of them went in 2 days. I hope we have enough to meet the needs, but why wouldn't you call me on this one? My name's Gary, I'm the van guy. You can reach me direct at 541-554-9581. Yep, email's on the screen as well. I appreciate your interest. Have a good day.